For the collar stitching, okay, for drafting and all, first take one strip. The length of the strip is, okay, whatever the neck round is there, neck round divided by 2 plus 2 inches extra. Here the neck round is 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches divided by 2 plus 2 inches extra, 8.25 inches. So the length of the strip is 8.25 inches. Here the length of the strip is 8.25 inches. Okay, and the width of the strip depends upon your collar width. Okay, here we can take the collar width is 1 inch or 1.25 inches. Here I am taking collar width is 1.25 inches. Now take your canvas. Okay, canvas should be on the armhole side. Okay, here the canvas should be on the armhole side. Now draw one straight line from the armhole side. Draw one straight line. Okay, next, this is the strip, right? Place your strip from here. This is marking, right? From here, take 0.25 inches outside. Your strip should be placed like this. Cross. Okay, see, this is 0.25 inches outside. Place like this. Okay, and draw one straight line. Draw a shape like this. Okay, next remove this one. From here, okay, from here take 0.25 inches top. From this point, take 0.25 inches from this marking. Take 0.25 inches. Now, join like a curve shape. Okay, this is the collar. And now width of the collar we have to mark it. Before width, we need length of the collar also. For the length of the collar, we need to check the neck round here. After shoulder attachment and all, will be getting like this, right? Next, this is front part, center part, and shoulder place like this. And we need to measure the round. One side is closing and one side is open. See, one side the strip is closing. Okay, here one side the strip is open. Now we need to check the round. Okay, here one value is 6.5 inches and the another value is 7 inches. One is 6.5 inch, another is 7 inches. Two values we are getting. Okay, from here, first mark 6.5 inches and 7 inches. From here where we are getting 6.5, take one mark and 7 inches also one more mark. Okay, this is 6.5 and this is 7 inches. Next, from here, okay, in between take the center marking. This is one value and this is one value. That's why what we are doing is in between mark the center. From here to here, take the center marking. This is the final marking. Okay, whatever the center is there, right? This is the final marking. From this marking, take 1 inch extra. Okay, from this marking, take 1 inch extra. This 1 inch is for the hook. Okay, back side we are attaching the hook for opening and closing. That's why from here I will take 1 inch extra. Now we'll mark the width of the collar. Here the width of the collar is 1.25 inches. From here we'll take 1.25 inches. This is the collar. Then we'll start cutting. Okay. Now we'll take the fabric and stick it. Okay, here see. After cutting the collar piece, we'll stick like this and take margin of 0.5 inches all sides and take one more piece. Okay, take 2 pieces of fabric and to one fabric we have to stick this one. Next, we'll stitch it and flip it. For finishing, okay, first this curve shape side we need to stitch it first. After that this side we need to flip it. This is right side and this one also right side facing each other. Now start from here, stitch it and flip. After flipping, then do pressing. Now take reference stitch of 0.25 inch. Then extra trim it off. Okay, now start from the back part. Okay, here mark the center, back part center. Okay, this is for the block. Start from the center point and the collar is also start from the center, stitch for 0.25 inches. Okay, see, done. This is front part, center part and collar center. This side also finish it off, same 0.25 inch. Next, see, same collar stitching and all same. Back side you will get like this. Here we'll put hook and eye. Okay, like this.